Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines designed for small spaces. Today, we're looking at the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine and the Grinchat Portable Mini Washing Machine. Both of these machines offer unique features that cater to different needs, whether you're living in a dorm, an apartment, or traveling in an RV. Let's dive into their specifications and see how they stack up against each other. The Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub features a dual tub design that allows for washing and spinning at the same time, making it efficient for users who want to save time. In contrast, the Grinchat Portable Mini Washer boasts a foldable design that can be easily stored in small spaces, making it ideal for travelers and students. While the twin tub is slightly bulkier, it offers a more robust washing capability. When it comes to capacity, the Super Deal Twin Tub can handle 8 pounds of laundry, making it suitable for small batches of regular clothing. On the other hand, the Grinchat Portable Mini Washer has a 16-liter capacity, which is great for delicate items like baby clothes and socks, but it translates to a smaller weight capacity for regular laundry. This difference in capacity may influence your choice depending on your laundry needs. The Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub includes a dedicated spin cycle that can dry clothes effectively, which is a significant advantage for users who want to reduce drying time. Conversely, the Grinchat Portable Mini Washer lacks a spin function, meaning users will have to manually wring out their clothes after washing. This could be a deal breaker for those who prefer convenience in their laundry routine. In conclusion, both the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub and the Grinchat Portable Mini Washer have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize washing capacity and the convenience of a spin cycle, the Twin Tub is the way to go. However, if portability and storage are your main concerns, the Grinchat Mini Washer offers a lightweight and foldable solution. Whichever you choose, both machines provide valuable laundry solutions for small living spaces. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.